Hi, yeah, this is me. Thanks for tuning in. First time talking in my video. Very cringe for me. Yeah, I'm not used to it at all. So this week's video is a tiny Q&A session, I guess, to celebrate a tiny milestone for my channel, 100 subs. Yay! So let's jump into it. Here's some question from my Instagram. First question: how come you have so much energy doing shooting while working? Don't ask this, man. I'm actually pretty tired, honestly. The reason is this is the thing I wanted to do for the longest time, like since 4 years ago. And yeah, procrastination. And then the pandemic hit. This kind of key factor that actually pushed me out to studies. Yeah. So I don't think I should stop the momentum now because I know I'm going to procrastinate more later. For now, I think it's kind of unhealthy to force the content. Yeah, we will see in future. Things need to change time to time. Okay, second question. Where do you find inspiration? Wow, big question. I think from all the creators out there, like negative feedbacks, jokier, grainy days, and yeah, the recent one, Brie Hanziker, I think. Not gonna lie, man, his video gave me instant depression. Like his video, too good compared to my level. Like I mentioned, I wanted to start this since 4 years ago. So I've watched all their content along the way and get the ideas of what I wanted to shoot. Yeah, pretty much it. They are my main source of inspiration, I guess. And of course, daily life gives you inspiration too. Like you need to go out more, to see more, to get more inspiration. Moving on, next question. Are you considering monetizing photographs in printed format? No, I guess maybe future, not sure. I don't think my work is on that level yet, Like anyone would buy it. Come on, who is going to buy it? We'll see in future. Maybe when I have improved to that level, that I think I should sell it. Now I don't think I should, maybe. So next question. Bila nak shoot at Malaysia back, bro? I can't imagine, bro, how much I wanted to shoot in Malaysia. I'm running out of place to shoot here actually. I saved all my annual leave and expect the borders to open up by year end. Everything was going smooth, the number is going down. But shit happens. Thanks to the politician in Malaysia. Third wave, right? All my plan gone, just like that. I was planning to go some island and hike some mountain back in Malaysia. And now all poof, gone. I don't think I can go back to Malaysia even during Chinese New Year. Yeah, sad life, man. Okay, so this has been it. tiny Q&A, just few questions. Hope you don't unsub me because of my voice. We'll do another big Q&A in future, maybe 1,000 subs. And last, thank you for watching. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. Yay.